Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Growth Tutor. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Facebook event response campaign in Meta Ads, step by step. This type of campaign is perfect if you're promoting a webinar, workshop, seminar, live session, or any in-person or online event and want more people to respond to it. Let's get started. First, we need to create an event on your Facebook page. Open the Facebook page where you want to publish the event. Make sure you switch to the page profile, not your personal profile. From the page menu, look for Events. Here, you'll see all your upcoming and past events. If this is a new page, you may not see any events yet. Click on Create Event. Now, let's create the event. Upload an event cover image. The image should be horizontal, but keep all important text inside the center square area because Facebook crops images on mobile devices. Next, give your event a clear and descriptive name. Set the event date and time and make sure the time zone is correct. You can also add an end time if the event has a fixed duration. Choose the event location. Select in person if it's a physical event, or virtual if it's an online event. Add your event description, including what the event is about, who it's for, and why people should attend. Review all the details, then click Create Event. Your event is now published and visible to the public. Now that the event is live, let's promote it using ads. Open Meta Ads Manager and click on Create to start a new campaign. Choose the Engagement Campaign objective. Select Manual Engagement Campaign, then click Continue. Rename your campaign so you can easily recognize it later. Set your campaign budget, either daily or lifetime, then click Next. At the ad set level, under Conversion Location, select On Your Ad. Under Engagement Type, choose Event Responses. Under Performance Goal, keep Maximize Number of Event Responses. Set an end date, making sure it ends before the event date. Now move to the Audience section. Select your target location, age range, and gender. Under Detailed Targeting, you can add relevant interests or demographics related to your event. If your ad account is new or doesn't have much data, you can switch to Original Audience. Keep Advantage Plus placements turned on. Click Next. Now we're at the ad level. Select the correct Facebook page. Choose Create New Ad. Under Destination, select the Facebook event you just created. You'll now see a preview of your event ad, including the event image. In the primary text, write a clear and engaging event description explaining what the event is, when it's happening, and why people should respond. There's also an option to change the event image. Square images usually work better across all placements, so you can upload a square version if you want. You can also enable website tracking. Review everything carefully. If everything looks good, click Publish. And that's it. You've successfully created a Facebook event response campaign using Meta Ads. This strategy is great for increasing event visibility and getting more people to respond. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to Digital Growth Tutor for more Meta Ads and digital marketing tutorials.